Hello everyone, this is Jun Kurasa once again and welcome back to workflow number 3, encoding your traverse and side shots observation. In this video, I will demonstrate to you how you will encode all your traverse and side shots observation using the side shot module of GEfield Pro. Okay, in the main menu, tap side shots button. Before we can encode our observation, kailangan natin gumawa muna ng job to manage our data. So first, tap Jobs tab button. So in the job database activity, dito natin makikita ang lahat ng jobs ng traverse at side shots natin. So to add a job, tap natin ang plus sign icon sa taas. Then in the job information, let's type the job name. So let's say our job name is 123 das trub. Then the location is Manila. Then hit save button. Okay. Then tap the back icon at the main bar to return to the side shots menu. Okay. So as you can see dito sa drawing natin, so ito yung side shots, ito yung traverse at side shots natin. So actually here, mayroon tayong mga codes. So say PS is a tree, PS is a traverse station. So it's better also na i-add natin dito sa code list natin itong mga code na ito. So let's tap code list. Tap the plus sign icon. For the code name, let's type PS monument. Okay, then save. Let's add another code. Let's say 3. Let's say 3. Save. And again, traverse station. Let's say trub. Then the code description will be traverse. Station. Okay, hit save. Then click the back button. See, you can see here our code are on the code list database. So click home. Now let's go back to SideShot. After we add all the codes and we had created also the jobs, now pwede na natin mag-encode ng field notes natin. So to encode the field notes, tap traverse. So before we start our traverse, we need to add a starting station. So in this case, wala muna tayong, let's assume our starting station. Say for example, in this our traverse in the drawing, so our starting station will be T1. So now we will encode the assumed coordinates of T1. So first, we'll select the job. So this is job 123 trub. Then we'll encode starting station for our traverse. So click this like a circle icon. Okay. So let's say for station name, you type T T1. Let's say this is because this is just an so let's say our assumed northing and easting coordinates of T1 say 70,000. Okay, this is assumed coordinates only. later on, we will transform and rotate our traverse so that it will fit to our subject lot. So for the instinct, we'll say again 70,000. For the description, let's say P1, then click save. Okay, so we'll hit the back button. So here, again, we'll select the job. Then for the station occupied, so here we'll click select, then select T1. Okay, now we will encode our first observation from T1 to point number 1. So the distance will be 50, the distance will be 15.939. The, the azimuth is south. See, the quadrant is south azimuth, so this will be the azimuth is 22.3625. So here you select the quadrant is south azimuth. Actually, you can also select the bearing for the quadrant, but in this case we are using south azimuth. So to point number, let's say point number 1. Then for the code, let's say this is PS. Okay, then calculate. Okay, then hit save. Okay, so now after we had observed this point 1, we need to observe another traverse station because we want to transfer from T1 to T2 later on. So we'll encode the observation from T1 to T2. So the distance will be 161. Let me hit this one. 161. No, 25. Sorry. 25.895. Then for the azimuth is 161.09 minutes 08 seconds. Then to T2. Then the code will be traverse. This is a traverse point. Calculate, then save. Okay. Now you will transfer your instrument from T1 to T2. Let's say you had already set up your instrument, but you want to know the backside from T2 to T1. You can hit this quick backside calculator icon. Select this point 1 because you're in T2. Select T2, then select T1, then hit calculate. Here you have calculated your backside azimuth. Now you need to observe point 2 and point 3, but your station occupied will be now T2. So select T2. Now for the distance, 12.867. Then for the azimuth, 203.3 3959. Then to point number 2, now for the code, this is PS, then calculate, then save. Again, you need to observe from T2 to point number 3. Distance will be 18 18.66. Then the bearing will be 131.2300, still south azimuth. Then this is point number 3, and for the code will be 3. Then calculate, then save. Okay, now you're done here. So you'll hit the back button, you click job stub, you tap the job. Now here you have now your traverse points. So hit this square icon, you'll see your traverse. Okay, that's how you encode all your traverse. In the next video, I'll show you how to translate and rotate our traverse so that it will fit in our subject line. Thank you.